The Glasgow Coma Scale, or GCS, is a rapid way to perform a neurological exam in a patient following trauma. It involves eyes, verbal, and motor response, getting up to 4, 5, and 6 points respectively for a max of 15 and a minimum of 3. For eyes, opening spontaneously is 4 points, to sound 3, to pressure 2, and no response is 1 point. For verbal, oriented is 5 points, confused 4, words 3, sounds 2, while no verbal response is 1 point. For motor response, following commands is 6 points, localizing is 5, normal flexion 4, abnormal flexion 3, extension 2, while no response is 1 point. A normal score is 14 to 15, 9 to 12 is moderate, while anything under 8 is considered a major deficit.